I'm attorney Tim Summelroth with RSH Legal. After a serious semi-truck accident in Iowa, you may be looking for an attorney to help you get justice for your harms and losses. During a phone call with a lawyer, you may get the impression that truck crash cases are just like regular car accident cases. Don't be fooled. There are many differences between these two types of cases. Number one, truck accident cases require a lawyer to act immediately. Unlike most car crash cases, if a truck driver is involved in a serious crash, the trucking company will send out a team to investigate the crash, typically within hours. This team usually includes a defense lawyer. This defense lawyer will start speaking with law enforcement, interviewing eyewitnesses, and examining physical evidence before the crash victim has even been discharged from the hospital. Obviously, this gives the trucking company an important head start. The only way to overcome that head start is to hire your own experienced truck accident lawyer to start an investigation for your side as soon as possible. This investigation typically involves inspecting the semi-truck, downloading electronic data from that truck, and taking steps to preserve all important company documents before the trucking company can destroy them. Number two, truck accident cases are often more about the trucking company than they are about the truck driver. A regular car accident is usually caused by a careless driver. A truck accident is often caused by a company who failed to properly hire, train, or discipline its professional truck driver. A key step in any truck accident case is finding out whether the truck driver should have been behind the wheel in the first place. The only way to take that step is to do a deep investigation into the trucking company's safety practices. Such an investigation usually involves reviewing the trucking company's safety policies, training manuals, and other key corporate documents. Number three, truck accident cases require going beyond the regular law enforcement investigation. Law enforcement officers are typically the first at the scene after a crash. They interview the witnesses and examine the physical evidence. However, most law enforcement officers look at the truck crash from the perspective of a car driver, not a professional truck driver. Most officers have little or no training in the trucking safety regulations or trucking industry standards. The proper way to investigate a truck accident claim is to have a trucking expert take a comprehensive look at all of the evidence, not just the officer's report. Number four, getting fair compensation for a truck accident often involves looking beyond the truck driver and his or her employer. Because federal trucking regulations for minimum insurance coverage has not changed since 1981, many trucking companies today are underinsured. That means the trucking company's insurance may not be enough to pay for all your harms and losses. Any good truck accident attorney needs to explore all possible defendants and vehicles to sue in order to get you a fair settlement for your injury. This can mean investigating the owner of the tractor, the owner of the trailer, the shipper, the company that received the goods, the truck manufacturer, and the cargo loader. Not all Iowa attorneys know that they need to investigate all of these options. The attorneys at RSH Legal know how to handle serious truck accident claims. If you've been seriously injured after a semi-truck crash, call 1-800-433-0283 today.